Hi, welcome to our newest listing. We're at 180 Spring Hill Road in Mount Vernon, Maine. I've been sitting here on the deck enjoying the sound of the songbirds and just enjoying the peace and quiet, but I would love to show you around the house. Welcome to your new home. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a year-round home, and I would love to show you inside. This main floor is wide open. You've got your kitchen, your informal dining room, and your living room. The kitchen's absolutely beautiful, and you've got very high ceilings and lots and lots of sunlight. So off this main living area, you've got your first bedroom. You've got your first full bathroom. And you've also got your second bedroom. I'm not sure if you've noticed this half door yet, but it definitely piqued my interest when I first came here. So this leads down to the ground level. Come on, and I will show you around. So the ground level offers access to outside, so you get complete privacy if you need with your primary suite. So the primary suite has 2 walk-in closets, and you also have a full bathroom as well as an additional room that could be used as an office. Now across the hallway, you've got your washer and dryer as well as other utilities for the house. So since we're on the ground level, we can go right out this way to explore the 2.8 acres that this house sits on. So since we are sort of in the middle of nowhere, there is the potential to lose power in the winters, but you do have the on-demand generator, which absolutely helps make it more bearable. Let's go up this way and see the backyard. I love this property. At 2.8 acres, it's a good amount of space to do whatever you need to do. This particular lawn, I would absolutely have a garden. So on the other side of this stone wall is Fogg Island Preserve. It's 269 acres. So you are truly surrounded by nature here, and it is a wonderful, wonderful space. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of 180 Spring Hill Road in Mount Vernon. So Mount Vernon and Belgrade Lakes offers many, many lakes for swimming, for fishing, for boating, as well as many walking trails to enjoy nature. So if privacy and serenity is what you're looking for, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.